Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll a little bit to find display and brightness. Then let's find sleep. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So as you can see at the top we've got relatively short options to choose from. Here we've got longer ones, so 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. I think I will pick 5 minutes, so simply tap on the option I'd like to use. And as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in this device. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.